guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I will be showing you guys another phone theme that I found for you guys. It is free, it's a free wallpaper, it's a free theme, and it's really cute. So I know you guys have been asking me to do more phone themes, and I will definitely be doing more because I really enjoy them and I love just like decorating my phone like all the time. I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys enjoy the content that I've been putting out, and if you guys do, make sure to give it a thumbs up, give it a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's just get this video started. So here is the preview of the home screen that I will be using. It's just a super colorful purple theme, so I'm going to apply that. And this is how the image looks like. It's super pretty, it's super galaxy, and I really love it. I love how colorful and pastel it is, and I feel like it goes very well with this phone theme. And as for the lock screen, I have two images. So this one is super dainty, super pretty. I love how it just has the unicorn, and like in the background you can see like a window with like a galaxy, and I feel like that just looks very like dreamy. So I will be applying this one, and then I will also be showing you guys a different wallpaper. So I'm going to set this as a lock screen. I love how it looks. It just looks really girly and really pretty. And that is how it looks like. I absolutely love it. It looks really well with like this phone because like it just kind of like curves at the sides over here, so I feel like you're actually looking into like the window, so that I feel like that's why I really like it. I'll also be showing you guys a different one that I have. So this is the other one that I have. This one's so cute, and I just had to use this one and I couldn't wait. So it says "If I Were a Unicorn," and it has like a little unicorn and like clouds and stars, and it's like super rainbow colorful, and I figured this one was also cute with this purple galaxy dreamy theme. So this is how this one looks like. It's so cute. That's how it looks like with the lock screen. I just think it's adorable, and I love how happy it is, so I feel like every time I look at my phone I'll be like smiling. That is why I really wanted to apply this one. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you got some inspiration. I know times are hard right now, and I feel like we just need a little positivity you know, throughout our days. So I feel like this is a great way to just kind of decorate your phone and make it happier and pleasant. And I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will continue to make more videos. So see you guys in the next one. Bye.